Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Iftar meals for the month of Ramadan, so this video can give you an idea of what you can do for dinner. Tray kebab with lamb meat and potatoes, tray pie with spinach and chocolate moonshine cookies with almond for dessert. 1 kilogram of diced lamb leg portion is used. Small fresh potatoes. Green and red pepper, it will be better if you use capia pepper. Salt, pepper, thyme, cumin. 1 bowl of peeled shallots. 3 garlic and 4 tomatoes will be used. 1 bowl of liquid sunflower oil. After washing the potatoes thoroughly, cut them into apple slices. These potatoes will be used without peeling. Chop the tomatoes and peppers. Mix salt and spices with oil. Add the diced potatoes in the baking tray. Add chopped lamb meat. Add other vegetables. This is a very practical and easy dish that you can prepare, and you can be sure that it will be very tasty. You can chop the garlic a little and add it. You can add a few hot peppers and rosemary to it. Bake in the oven with the top open. I can say that it is a healthy and delicious bakery dish. Ingredients for making spinach hand-rolled borek. 1 kilogram of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 650 grams of water. Add some warm water to 10 grams of dry yeast and let it activate for 10 minutes. Add all the ingredients to the flour and make a nice smooth dough. After the dough is prepared, you can wait for 1 hour. Wash the spinach. 2 tomatoes, peeled. 2 onions and garlic. Salt, black pepper, chili pepper. Finely chop the washed spinach. Chop the onion and tomatoes small and roast them. Add some pepper paste. Add the spices and mix. Pour the mixture over the spinach and mix. Add some feta cheese. After the dough is fermented, prepare small balls of dough with an average of 80 grams of dough. Melt some butter and mix with oil. Oil the dough well using a brush and leave to stand for 15 minutes. It will open more easily if you let the dough stand. Take the waiting dough on the counter and expand by pulling the edges. Add spinach and tug the dough and wrap it. Twist the dough after wrapping it and give it a curl shape. Place the dough spirally on the baking tray by turning and twisting. Brush a little egg yolk and oil mixture onto the pastry. You can add sesame and black seed to it. Bake in the oven until the top and bottom are browned. Ingredients not to make sweet cookies: 150 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of almonds, 3 tablespoons of hazelnuts, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 egg yolk. Start mixing butter, egg and sugar. Make an easy dough by mixing all the ingredients. After preparing the dough, add it into the bag and refrigerate for 1 hour. Shape the dough with your hand in a moon shape and then add it to the baking tray. It will be enough to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Add the cookies to the melted chocolate and remove. Ready to serve after decorating with white chocolate on it. This is all the food for dinner, already success and bon appetit to those who will. You can find the original of the video in Turkish on the YouTube channel of Nurhan. I translated it into English and I edited it a bit. Those who want can watch the original version of this video. See you again in a new food video. Goodbye.